So this is the little GR86 Premium. My son's just purchasing this right now at this moment. And got a 4-cylinder. This has the Subaru engine in it actually. And it's only, the 3-cylinder in there has 300 horsepower. This little thing only has 280 horsepower. But it's basically a Subaru. Got the little Boxster engine in it. First thing I'm going to do is pull off the air conditioning, take off these lines, and change these O-rings. That's the first thing I'm going to do. As soon as we get home this weekend, I'm draining out the air conditioning, changing those O-rings, putting on the vacuum pump overnight, and then filling up the AC. The AC is good on this thing too. Of course, he had to get the extra performance package with the Brembo brakes. Every kid has to get that. So this is what it is. He got the extra exhaust package. He got the performance package. Of course, you got to get the fancy drifting pedals. And he never had a stick shift before, and he's never driven a stick shift before. Well, he drove one once back in Iceland, one time, a rental car. But I had to drive it for the test drive today. And so he's going to learn how to burn up a clutch on this car. All right, guys, I'll see you. And this is the little GR86. What is about to get the air conditioning done on it as soon as he gets home.